Hi, my name is Vivaan Garg. I really became motivated when I attended the open house of North Park School. I interacted with the faculty members, students, and learned that the North Park has the DECA Club that aligns with my future career aspirations of becoming an entrepreneur. I understand that to run a business, a person should be an all-rounder having leadership skills with vision, strategic and financial management. To build myself, I started volunteering for kindergarten students and I was able to identify and nurture children's skills. For example, I helped the child in becoming a team player instead of fighting with others. Also, I was elected as the financial controller in the physical education planning team based on my academic achievements in mathematics, confidence level while being interviewed, and my resiliency from failures. I am also a bus patroller selected amongst 30 worthy candidates. During my leisure time, I play guitar. I'm a blue belt in karate. In sports, I play basketball, table tennis, badminton, and I am a good swimmer too. I'm an extrovert and a team player with a diligent work ethic and a strong focus on academics. I look forward to engage in various clubs and labs such as DECA, robotics, computer science, and hardware. Collaborating with peers who share a healthy competitive spirit and growth mindset motivates me even further. With all these facilities and environment at North Park, I'm eager to contribute to the community and take the first step in my journey towards becoming an entrepreneur. Thank you.